The world has a wood problem. The World Bank Group forecasts that demand for hardwood will quadruple by 2050. With increasing legislation protecting native forests, the natural slow process of growing new trees, and the traditional approach to logging, the world simply will not have enough supply to meet demand for low-carbon building materials. Crafted Hardwoods has a solution that is fast, cost-effective, and sustainable. We grow trees in a machine in one day, right here in Australia. And rather than relying on materials that are carbon-intensive to create, we use natural materials that already exist. Juvenile pulp logs. On average in Australia, 49% of all trees logged end up classed as low-value pulpwood, and due to their age, shape, and density, are not suitable for most building purposes and are usually turned into wood chips. They may be low value to others, but to us, they're perfect. We only source timbers from certified, sustainably managed forests, both Australian and popular imported species, bringing them to our factory here, in Australia. Here, rather than cutting them in the traditional fashion, which only results in an average 33% yield from the log, we instead get a 75% yield by unrolling it, slicing around the log and flattening it out using as much of the wood as possible. Then, using a non-toxic water-based nano-glue that biomimics the natural structure of trees, we press these back into a square log. Using advanced engineering and AI to make adjustments throughout the production, we ensure consistency for the final product. The result is a beautiful block of wood unique to the machinery and unique to the world, ready to be cut to your specifications. Our process is so efficient, we can produce cubic meters of timber in less than an hour. Low-grade wood to a premium quality product, a truly sustainable material, and a hardwood timber like no other. Flooring, stair components, structural posts and beams, doors and windows, decorative panels and joinery, furniture, battens, cladding and screening can all be made using our sustainable timber. And because our supply chain is simple, plantation to factory to consumer, there's no more uncertainty in supply for select grade timbers. We can have your wood to you in days. We can even mix and match existing timber types to create an entirely unique style of wood, just for your project. But it isn't just about creating beautiful wood. It's about shaping a sustainable future for generations to come. In a world facing a wood shortage crisis, Crafted Hardwoods offers a revolutionary process that not only gives us a chance to continue to build long into the future, but also to help our environment in a time when it needs it most. Ready to be part of the change? Contact us today and let's craft a better world together.